Hi, my name is Erin. I want to share a story with you about my childhood. I was the youngest of 3 children, so as the youngest, I got all the hand-me-downs from my siblings and their leftover food to eat so they wouldn't get in trouble. This resulted in me becoming very chubby, and because I got all their hand-me-downs, my clothes were pretty worn, and I got picked on by the kids at school. If that wasn't bad enough, I started developing at an early age and got pimples in the 6th grade. So I was called names by the kids. "Hey, crater face, how is it being so ugly?" they'd yell and make fun of me until I was in tears and went back to the classroom. Why me? At home, because I was the youngest, my older siblings made me do all their chores before my parents came home from work. If they got in trouble, I got in trouble by them. My brothers would pull my hair and make me cry, and my sister, well, she was another story. I was not happy at all. Why me? I wasn't a happy child, but I studied hard and got straight A's in school, and that made me happy. My parents always praised me for that. But my siblings weren't too happy because my mom and dad would get after them for their bad grades, so they took it out on me. Why me? I was so happy to enter junior high. Finally, a new start. I could make new friends, and there would be so many kids from different schools who could be my friends. Yay! My first day of school was okay. Everyone was nervous because it was something new to all of us, but at least I didn't get picked on. The only problem was that I was so afraid to look anyone in the face because of my pimples, so I didn't make any friends the first few days. How was I going to survive junior high school with no friends? By the end of the week, while we were getting used to our schedules, things started to fall into place, and I made a friend. Her name was Miranda. She was pretty and real nice to me. She had more friends that she introduced me to, and when she did, they all giggled. I didn't understand why at the time, but who cares? I had friends now. Why me? Why me? Because I'm special, that's why. Months went by and I didn't run into any of the bullies from my last school, and then one day I go to the cafeteria by myself, and there he was, Sam Bigay. I got so nervous and didn't know what to do. I tried to avoid him, but as I walked by him, he grabbed my ponytail and yelled out, "Hey, crater face, what are you doing here? I didn't think they let ugly people in this school." I was humiliated. I didn't know what to do, but put my head down and walk out of the cafeteria. Oh my God, everyone was in the cafeteria and heard what he had said to me. What am I going to do? Why me? Miranda and her friends saw what happened, and after that, they started calling me names. They even picked on me on Facebook, posting nasty pictures of me, photoshopping my face, and saying bad, hurtful things about me. Why me? This went on for the first few months until it became unbearable for me. My grades started slipping, and I wouldn't leave my room to do anything but cry about the things people were saying about me. Why me? The next day, my parents went bowling, and my older brother and sister went to a dance at the high school. I was alone in the room, very depressed and wondering why my parents even decided to have me. Why was I even born? Why couldn't I have new clothes instead of hand-me-downs? Why couldn't I be more pretty and thinner? Why could I not have real friends? Why? Why? Why me? This made me cry harder, and seeing that there wasn't any reason for me to be here. I was only going to get picked on all the time. Do I really want to live like that? I then made a decision to end my life. I went to the garage and searched until I found a rope my dad used to tie down the awning. I took it and threw it over the beam in the garage and tied it around my neck while I stood on a milk crate. Then I kicked it out from under me. I then wondered, what am I doing? I'm smart, and I shouldn't care what other people thought about me. I started wiggling and trying to grab the rope from behind my neck, but I couldn't. I couldn't breathe and started to become lightheaded. Then all of a sudden, nothing. Why, Erin? Why?